guys, I hope you all are doing good. So I know guys, almost all of you have been known about the chia seeds, which is a plant-based seed, and these chia seeds are really beneficial for our health because it contains lots of fiber, calcium and lots of health benefits. And I have started using the chia seeds in my daily diet, you can say in my daily eating routine. Yes guys, in this video I'm going to share with you several health benefits of chia seeds, how these seeds can be helpful for your health, how you can eat these seeds, and also most importantly how these seeds can be helpful in weight loss. So yes guys, if you think this video will be helpful for you, then please keep watching this video till end. But obviously before going further, do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and also hit that bell so that you will get notification for all of my videos. This is Sapna and let's get started with this video. So let's get started. First of all guys, let me tell you about some health benefits of chia seeds, as chia seeds are rich in fiber, calcium, protein, magnesium, phosphorus, and it has like lots of health benefits. And also especially it has this omega-3 fatty acid, which makes the chia seeds very nutritious and healthy. So first of all guys, as these chia seeds are rich in fiber, so it will be really helpful in keep your stomach full, because as I have started using this from past few weeks, and I feel like when I take this these chia seeds in morning, then my stomach will be like really full and I don't urge to eat something for several hours. So that's why it will keep your stomach full for almost 3 to 4 hours. So in this way you will not overeat, and it will definitely going to help you in overcoming your overeating problem, which is a really great thing. Also guys, as I've already told you, these chia seeds are rich in fiber, magnesium, iron, phosphorus. Also it has omega-3 fatty acids. It is rich in protein as well. It will be really helpful in keep your digestion good as well. So if you are facing the problem of diabetes, digestion problem, PCOD, PCOS, then it will be really helpful for you if you regularly use chia seeds. So yes guys, these chia seeds will be really helpful for you because it has omega-3 fatty acid, and if you are a vegetarian person like me, then you must start using this, and it will be really good for a health conscious person as well. जो भी healthy चीज़ें वगैरह लेते हैं उनके घर में तो आपको ये easily मिल जाएंगे, because the people who are really health conscious, they use chia seeds regularly, and they've been seeing the difference in their body and their health after using the chia seeds. So yes, now it's time to share the amount of chia seeds you must have when you start using this. So first of all, if you are going to start using a particular product, then you must start with the less quantity. So I must say guys, start with 1 tablespoon of chia seeds firstly, and then after that, when you keep habitual of drinking this, and when you regularly started taking this drink, then you can increase the intake of chia seeds from half tablespoon to 1 tablespoon. If you have diabetes problem, then it will be really helpful for you. You can definitely use it. If you are a teenager, then yes, you can use it, but for children I will not recommend this. And also I want to share with you guys that if you are facing any health issue, then you must consult your doctor first before using this, because I am not a nutritionist or not an expert. So if you are facing any health issue and you want to start taking chia seeds, then you must consult your doctor first that you can take these seeds in your daily diet or routine. Then you can start using this. This is just this is my suggestion and recommendation for you. So how you can use this guys, you have to just soak these seeds in water, and after that you can keep this overnight, or you can keep this at least for half an hour or 1 hour, and after that it will create a jelly kind of form. I personally really like it when it forms like jelly kind of form. So when it forms a jelly kind of form in water, then you can add some more water, or you can add some milk, honey, and after that you can drink this in whatever way you want to drink, because there are several recipes available online. You can start taking chia seeds in that way. Now I will tell you guys how I use chia seeds in my daily routine, because yes, I have seen lots of changes in my body after using this. So I'll be sharing those with you in this video further. So first of all, let me tell you about the thing like how I use chia seeds in my daily routine. First of all, I just take half tablespoon of these chia seeds, and I keep it aside or soak it for like half an hour, or you can say 1 hour. You can also leave it overnight, and after that I took 1 glass of lukewarm water, and I add half tablespoon of chia seeds in it, and also for some sweet kind of taste I add 1 tablespoon of honey in it, because honey is really healthy and it will also make that drink a little bit of sweet as well. So I personally like to add honey in it, and after that I mix it and drink it just before taking breakfast. I take this almost half an hour before taking my breakfast. This is how I take these chia seeds in my daily routine. So in second method, I just add some milk. You can say more than half glass of milk, and after that I add half a tablespoon, or you can add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and after that I just add some coffee, and I just mix that coffee in some water, and also I like to add some honey. You can add 1 or 2 tablespoon honey in it to add some sweetness in it. After that I just mix it so that everything will be well combined. Just to keep it aside or refrigerate it for 1 to 2 hours, and yes, it's ready. And also you can add some cocoa powder in place of coffee as well, just to make it some more chocolatey if you are a chocolate lover. So this is how I use it, and I use that water wala version in the morning before taking my breakfast. Just about 30 minutes before taking my breakfast, and in evening time I used to take this kind of snack. And yes, now it's about the major question that it will helpful in weight loss or not. Yes guys, it will be helpful in weight loss if you regularly use it. Like you can start using this by less quantity, like I said you before. You can just take half a tablespoon of this in starting, and after that you can increase that intake. Just be regular with this thing. Also, just to keep your diet healthy as much as you can. Don't eat junk food at all, because if you think you can just eat 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and after that you can remain healthy and you can lose weight, then this will not going to happen, trust me. You just have to keep your diet healthy and avoid junk food. Also do some sort of exercising. Just 10 minutes or 15 minutes exercise is enough, I guess. So in this way it will be really helpful in losing your weight, and you will see the difference in just a month. Trust me, if you regularly use this drink. Also if you regularly keep using the chia seeds with some sort of exercise and some healthy diet as well, then definitely it will going to give you really nice result. Yes, then you can thank me later. So yes, now the brand of chia seeds which I am using, this is True Natural product. This is how it looks like. These are raw chia seeds. So this is like a really nice and a huge glass bottle. As you can see, it will provide you 150 grams of product with a really nice and decent price. I think it's priced at rupees 300 or 350 or something. I will mention the price somewhere on the screen here. So this is how it looks like, and also here it mentioned that you have to consume this within 30 days of opening the pack. So if you are buying this pack, you can keep this for 12 months from the manufacturing date, but when you open this you have to use it within 30 days, you can say 1 month. So I think 150 grams of quantity is like enough for 1 month if you are using the chia seeds regularly, because it will be really helpful in maintaining your weight loss and health. So yes, these are the chia seeds I am using. These are True Natural product chia seeds, and also the quality of the chia seeds I really like. I will show you. I hope you can see. The quality is like really amazing, because I have noticed that some chia seeds have some stones or some sort of material in it, but this is not in the case of this brand chia seeds, as these are so pure. These are so good, and you will get this high quality chia seeds if you are using this brand. I will link this product in the description box so that you guys can check, because these are like so amazing. The quality is superb, and yes, I am using this from past few weeks and I have seen the results. This is like working so good for me. This will be really helpful in keeping myself healthy, and also it keep myself really energetic after drinking the these chia seed drink in the morning. So yes, in this way these chia seeds are like really helping me out in keep myself energetic, and also to stop myself from overeating and those junk kind of food, because it will keep you so full if you are drinking the chia seed drink regularly. And obviously हर एक को प्रॉब्लम होती है ओवर ईटिंग की. इट विल बी रियली हेल्पफुल इन स्टॉप दैट ओवर ईटिंग प्रॉब्लम, ट्रस्ट मी. सो यस गाइस, दैट्स इट फ्रॉम दिस वीडियो. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope this video will be helpful for you guys. Also guys, do share this video with your friends and family if you think that this video can be helpful for them. So yes guys, do hit that like button if you like this video, and also share this video with your friends and family. I'll back soon with another video. Till then, bye bye, take care.